んにちは。VR 日本語の萌えです。今日はね、Today I'm going to teach you how to sneeze in Japanese. Sneeze in Japanese is くしゃみ。It's kind of cute, isn't it? くしゃみ。くしゃみをする is to sneeze. You do くしゃみ achoo, I think in English. But in Japanese, くしゃみ is 拍手。拍手。ちょっと似てる very close. 拍手. So I've been asked, what do you do? What do you say? How do you say bless you in Japanese? We don't really have bless you in Japanese. So if someone くしゃみをする。くしゃみをしたら Number one thing I would say is 大丈夫? Are you okay? Maybe 風邪? Do you have flu? Or maybe 寒い? Are you cold? Or maybe ティッシュいる? Do you need tissue? I think Japanese people are more practical with the くしゃみ. Sneeze when someone sneezes. Please try saying 大丈夫? Next time when your Japanese friend sneezes. くしゃみをする. Thank you for watching. またね。拍手